All right, you're going to say this sentence with the accent of wherever you're from.
American.
5 bowls of boiling
Standard
oil.
British.
5 bowls of boiling oil.
Devonshire.
5 bowls of boiling
German.
oil. 5 bowls of boiling oil.
Scottish.
5 bowls of boiling
Geordie.
oil. 5 bowls of boiling oil.
Brummie.
5 bowls of boiling oil.
Yorkshire.
5 bowls of boiling oil.
Scouse.
5 bowls of boiling
Irish.
oil. 5 bowls of boiling oil.
Russian.
5 bowls of boiling oil.
Cockney.
5 bowls of boiling oil.
South African.
5 bowls of boiling oil.
Northern Irish.
5 bowls of boiling oil.
New Zealand.
5 bowls of boiling oil.
British RP.
5 bowls of boiling oil.
New York.
5 bowls of boiling oil.
Australian.
5 bowls of boiling oil.
Welsh.
5 bowls of boiling oil.
French.
5 bowls of boiling oil.
Southern.
5 bowls of boiling oil.
Jamaican.
5 bowls of boiling oil.
West Country.
5 bowls of boiling oil.
Spanish.
5 bowls of boiling oil.
Canadian.
5 bowls of boiling oil.
Dutch.
5 bowls of boiling oil. That was really hard. And I feel like the southern one should have been 5 bowls of boiling oil. 5 bowls. Oh, I can't. 5 bowls of boiling oil. No, I can't. That is hard. That is real hard.